How to make a healthier Nigerian stew without frying it. Ingredients for 4 tomatoes, ½ kilogram bell pepper, 4 medium-size onions, 2 medium-size Scott bonnet, 8 salt to taste, seasoning 2 cubes, curry powder 2 tablespoon, preferred vegetable oil 100 ml, chicken 1 kilogram. Preparation: blend the tomatoes, onions, bell pepper and the Scott bonnet together. Steam the chicken with ½ liter of water, add salt to taste. Add the curry to the chicken and some sliced onion. Steam for about 7 minutes. Strain out the water from the chicken into a bowl. Keep it, of course, because you shall need it. Pour all the blended liquids onto the chicken in the pot and bring to boil until it is free of any water. Pour in the oil, then pour in the earlier strained water from the chicken. Allow the stew to boil for about 5 minutes over a moderate heat. Our stew is made. Enjoy with rice, yam, potatoes or any other food of your choice.